success and failure are two sides of the same coin. But in our society, the way we look at success, failure gets looked at very differently. While on the one hand, people who are successful, they get treated like heroes, but people who fail, nobody looks at them. And this creates a problem because this leads to a sort of a fear in our minds, which is called the fear of failure. We develop this fear of failure, and which is extremely detrimental to our growth, to our success. And in this video, I'm going to analyze how this fear affects your mind, what it does to you, and how you can overcome that. So watch this video till the end, because this is going to be an extremely power-packed video where we are going to talk about the fifth principle to transform our life, earn more money. Hi, my name is Anjani B. Kumar and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, do consider subscribing because I keep posting extremely useful videos which could be helpful in your journey towards success in your life and career. Right from our childhood, we are told that we must be successful in everything that we do. If we are in our class, we must come out first. If we are participating in any sort of sports, we must win it. So that's where we are always told that you need to be successful because there is no place in our society for failures. What it does to you, it actually programs your mind in such a way where you start looking at success and failure very differently. But the reality is, in our lives, there is bound to be a situation where you would be successful and there are bound to be situations where you could fail. So this whole understanding of success versus failure is extremely critical in our analysis to transform our life to earn more money. But because we are conditioned to think in such a manner where we look at failure in a different way, where we look down to people who have failed, that's where in our minds we start developing that belief that whatever we are doing, we must be successful at it. And that's the reason we get conditioned or we get controlled by this thought process in such a manner that every time we start thinking about doing something, it keeps working at the back of our mind. It keeps telling us that you must be successful at it. There is no possibility or no chance that you could fail. Because if you fail, the society would look at you very differently. The society will look down upon you, and that's why you should not fail. So rather, if there is any risk of failing, you should not do it. And that creates a big problem because that stops us from doing a lot of things which in normal course we should do, we should experiment, and that's how we should grow in our lives. But just because our mind is conditioned in such a manner where we keep thinking that whatever we may do, we have to be successful at it. So that's where we overthink, we overanalyze, and we end up doing very few things rather than trying to experiment with all sorts of things in our life. And that limits the scope of success that we could finally get in our lives and in our careers. There is another problem that we face because we have been conditioned right from our childhood to look at failure in this manner. We get psychologically and emotionally attached to each of these kind of situations. And suppose if we fail in any situation, we keep it so close to ourselves, it affects us so much emotionally that we completely get affected by this, and it restricts our ability to come out of that situation and start experimenting again. We start living with this mindset that if I have failed, there is something wrong with me. But the reality is, there is no successful person you will find in the world who has not failed in his or her life. And that's the reason this emotional attachment which we develop with success or failure has to be removed. We have to look at every situation very dispassionately because we must accept the fact that if we have achieved success at some point in life, there is bound to be a situation where we would fail. And then it is in our interest to come out of that situation as quickly as possible, rebound, and then start working towards our success again. But unfortunately, the kind of belief system with which we have grown up, it restricts our ability to come out of that kind of a situation. We live in that situation for a much longer period, and which again restricts our ability to grow further in life. This needs to be corrected. Failure must be taken as a learning experience. It is always said that people who fail, they know much more than people who have succeeded, because success does not really teach you how to become successful. If you have become successful at some point in time, there is no guarantee that you would become successful again. But if you have failed in a situation, you very well know what are the things not to do so that you don't fail again. You would not be repeating those mistakes. So there is always a much greater learning associated with failures rather than successes. And the reality is that all of us at some point of time would succeed, would fail. And we have to take failure as a learning experience and move on in life. We have to think that we have learned something new at whatever cost the failure has come, and which will add much more value to our lives, our careers, and which will help us in becoming successful in future. And that's how we have to move ahead. We have to come out of the situation and go back to life with renewed vigor and try to achieve much bigger heights. That's extremely critical for us to become successful, to remain successful in life. Let's understand one fact. Behind every successful people in this world, there would be hundreds of people who would have failed. That's the ratio. And we have to be aware about that ratio. We have to break this mindset that only success needs to be celebrated. Even failure needs to be celebrated, because there is a great learning that one has achieved. At least one has gone out and experimented, done something, rather than just sitting with this fear of failure and not done anything, not taken any steps. The problem is that we always look for safe zones where the risk is less, and so that we have less fear of failure, and there is some sort of a guarantee that we would achieve some success. But that situation will give you suboptimal success. It will not give you the ideal success that you are capable of. To achieve your maximum potential, you need to really remove this fear of failure, experiment with things in life, and that's the only way to achieve real transformation. So that's why the fifth principle to transform your life and earn more money is remove the fear of failure from your minds. Experiment with everything, with all the resources that you have available to you. Go in all the directions where possibly you can go. And that will give you the real success. That will give you the real sense of achievement. Because if you keep playing in the safe zone, your success, as I said, would remain suboptimal. You would not be utilizing your complete potential. You would not be really achieving what you are capable of. So that's why you need to remove this fear of failure. You need to start thinking differently. You need to start looking at success and failure differently. Not only at your own level, but try to inculcate this belief in your community, in your circle, within your friends, within your colleagues, within your peers, subordinates, everybody. Because we have to come out of this mindset that success is good and failure is bad. Look at some of the Western countries. There is no stigma attached to failure. People don't emotionally get so involved with failure. They fail and they move on. They bounce back. They come back. All the successful people, if you look at their journey, they would have failed multiple times, but one big success that they have achieved finally has really made them big, has really made them successful. You have to search for that ultimate success, and in that journey towards that ultimate success, you will go through multiple rounds of failures. And if you are not prepared to go through that multiple round of failures, you would remain where you are. You would not achieve that ultimate success which will transform your life, which will help you earn more money, and that will not ultimately help you realize your full potential. So my submission to all of you is, remove that fear of failure from your minds. Go in the world, experiment with all the capabilities that you have, utilize your full potential, and achieve the best output, the maximum success that is possible to achieve. So I hope you would have found this whole series useful to transform your life and earn more money. All the 5 principles are extremely powerful, and if you use all 5 of them in your life, in your regular day-to-day life, you would achieve tremendous success in your life, in your career, everywhere. So start using all these 5 principles, and then you will achieve the real transformation in your life. You will be able to live the life of abundance. You will be able to earn a lot of money. You will be able to not only solve your own problems, but solve the problems of others also, because when you have enough money available, when you are not able to only spend it on your needs, then you start helping others also. And I want all of you to use these 5 principles to transform your life, to earn more money, to live a life of abundance. So if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your family and friends. Grow our tribe. Get more and more people to experience these 5 principles and all the other videos that I keep making at various points in time. And if you have any comments, any questions, any suggestions, put them in the comment section below and I'll answer them personally. And then I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.